Disabling Gatekeeper or assessment system. You might encounter restrictions in opening the app. If this happens, terminate your internet connection. Open Terminal, then run the following command. Type in your password, then press Enter. This command initiates the disabling of the assessment system globally. Head over to Privacy and Security under System Settings to confirm the action. Under Security, change the selected option under Allow applications from whatever option is active to Anywhere. Type in your password, then click Modify Settings. Click Allow from Anywhere. With that, you've fully disabled Gatekeeper and therefore can install any app on your Mac. The downside is that you'll also be able to install malicious apps. So do not forget to turn it on after this installation.